To use RedCard DoorDash 2024. Start by understanding what RedCard is. RedCard is a membership program offered by DoorDash that provides users with unlimited free delivery and other exclusive perks. First, download the DoorDash app from the App Store if you have not already. Once you have the app, create an account or log in to your existing account. Next, navigate to the RedCard section of the app. This is usually found on the home screen or in the menu. To sign up for RedCard, click on the Join Now button and follow the prompts to enter your payment information. The cost of RedCard is typically a monthly or yearly fee, which will be automatically charged to your account. After signing up for RedCard, you can start using it immediately. When you place an order, the app will automatically apply your RedCard benefits, including free delivery. You can also use your RedCard at participating restaurants, which are clearly marked in the app. In addition to free delivery, RedCard also offers other perks, such as exclusive discounts and priority customer support. To access these perks, navigate to the RedCard section of the app, where you will find a list of available benefits. To get the most out of your RedCard membership, use it frequently and take advantage of the exclusive discounts and offers. You can also track your RedCard benefits in the app, including the number of free deliveries you have used and the discounts you have received. Overall, using RedCard DoorDash 2024 is a straightforward process that can help you save money and get the most out of your DoorDash experience. By following these steps and taking advantage of the exclusive perks, you can enjoy unlimited free delivery and other benefits with your RedCard membership. It is also important to note that RedCard membership can be canceled at any time, and you will not be charged for the next billing cycle. However, you will not be refunded for the current cycle. To cancel your membership, navigate to the RedCard section of the app and follow the prompts to cancel.